Is everything work according to plan, no Titus?
So far, but don't talk too soon.
You worry too much, man. What could go wrong?
Sleepy, neither me nor you know nothing about security work.
Titus, all you need to know that if somebody suspicious come in at the bank, all you do is just make up your face, man. Like so.
Me still nervous.
You worry too much, man. We're here from Monday. And everything is just smooth sailing.
But what if something happens?
Like what?
A crisis. A war!
You worry too much, man. That is why we's here. Farming this little security company was a capital idea.
But we're not even armed, Sleepy.
You roll up your rug and put in your pants waist, as I tell you.
Yes, but...
So I don't see it bulging out.
See there?
Hey, fluff it up some more, man. Make it bulge out like gum.
You think that can fool anybody, Sleepy?
Don't it work so far, eh?
Let's pray it stay that way.
Come on. Body not so brave trying anything, man. And I know that Exterminator Inc. They're on the job. Tell her number one.
She's sweetie.
Mr. Johnson, Natasha.
So she know you.
Too snobbish, man. You know, say I work a house for as a gardener for 3 months, and not one man she tell me good man.
Maybe she just don't like you.
Can you imagine her reaction to you?
Sleepy, me still not comfortable, man.
You worry too much, man. Hear me, man. Just twirl your button. See? And if anybody suspicious coming at the bank, you just look on them like so and make up your face. And just pat your waist.
Sleepy. Bank robber no usually look suspicious.
Man, relax, man.
Every other bank me going and me see armed security guard. We don't have nothing to defend ourselves.
So what you call this?
Batten, what that can do? What Batten can do?
Hold on here and make I show you.
Sleepy. Gone are the days when thief walk with ratchet knife in a man.
You worry too much, man. We safe.
With 2 pieces of board and 2 rags stuff up in our pants waist.
And M16. Come M16. Come.
That mangy mongrel.
Don't call my M16 mangy mongrel, yes, sir.
Then what it is?
It's a trained assault ridgeback dog.
You mean ribs back?
Hey, just take him out. Say,
Sleepy, who training?
man.
The dog afraid I'm more shadow. The slightest noise in me start trembling.
Nervous and get nervous sometimes.
So how good is a guard dog with nerves problem?
It's not all you want.
I jumpiest dog me ever say.
Hey, it's a lot and a lot, man. You react fast.
The only thing this dog do fast is run.
Just take your mouth off of my M16, man. Alright? Alright? M16 is a coward. So what? Coward man keep sound bone. Same thing go for dog too.
And this one have whole heap of bone for keep, so I mean so bone.
Just relax, man. You're too fretty.
People, you know, sister, we dip on the front line.
You watch too much war show, man. Sure. Come 16. Come, man. Yes, sir. Hey, what time now?
Guess what happened?
What?
Me borrow the battery out of clock, so it stop work.
We are doing a trouble you want to get.
But it's about lunchtime.
Alright then, manager soon gone for lunch, see? And you what? And you're gonna knock some dominoes later, alright? 14, $2 a game.
No, 50 cents a game.
Alright, 50 cents a game. But I never see a man so tight. Your mother never give you a better name. So it's well that you have in your bag, eh? Some precious you have in there.
None of your business.
Right, it's easy.
Hey, Sleepy.
What?
Natasha just give me a sideways look while ago.
True.
You think she like me?
Alright. Give her a check then. Look serious. Good morning, Mrs. Ford. How is the morning? Have a nice lunch, and we have everything on the control.
Top of the morning, Mrs. Ford. Exterminator Hink Panja.
Everything look like it clear now, Titus. Can't go bounce to domino now.
Alright. Go and set up a table. I'm going to check Natasha.
Alright. Hey, make your estimate now.
No, it's the last one.
One.
Sleepy. So push us from buy our lunch.
Look. Just go on, man. You're too mean.
Next.
Well, man, come back already.
You send me out, sir?
Natasha run you.
None of your business.
Also, would man come get vexed with me, pa? After the me make she run you. Just still the same, you know, one like say she a taps.
Me know you know she. Her shoulder blade is sharp like razor. Shuffle domino.
Yeah.
Red 16.
M16. They on the alert, man. Every time.
Come, double 64.
Alright. Double 6, eh?
Two double 6. Hey, everybody, this is a sticker. Hold up.
Stick it up. Yo, stick it up. M16. M16. Stick it. Stick him. M16. Stick him. Stick.
Nobody move, nobody squint.
We see that already.
Just repeat it, boss, in case.
Shut up, man.
Yes, boss.
Security guard, them, want it?
Security guard, weapon on!
Security guard, come forward.
Come forward, security guard.
You have to repeat everything we say.
No, Ralph.
I'm telling you, don't call me by my right name.
So, oh, you call me by my right name?
Because me's a leader. No, but
Shut up, man. I'm going to look for the security guard there.
Yes, boss. Security guard, where are Uno? Uno is here. Because since Monday, we've been checking out this place. It's just down the road we live.
I'll give them your name and a telephone number.
No telephone, boss.
Shut up, man. I'm going to look for the security guard there.
Yes, boss. Come on, there. Where? Plain clothes.
Where?
Over there. This is a lady in the green blouse.
You, come forward.
You, blue sweater, come forward. I know your face. Come forward.
Yeah. Now come for you. Me?
Shoot him, boss. Shoot him.
No. Easy. Yeah, yo.
You, Anthony here. Reach for the sky. On your toe pint.
All right. Are you are the security guard, yeah?
Me? You crazy, man. I visited from New York.
Wait, New York town?
Shut up, Al.
Yes, boss.
So you come from New York?
Yeah. Born, grown, raised in New York City. You don't bother about me. You just go on with your doings.
Where New York is?
Foreign.
Foreign? You have US dollars?
Shut up, Al.
Yes, boss.
We have on your shirt.
Under my belly, sir.
So your belly so tough, see?
Let me see what you have on your shirt.
Button.